Hello, dear children. Now it's time for part 2 of story writing. Okay, part 2 of story writing. So, which five key elements we had discussed in my previous lecture? Five key elements to write a story. This one. Okay, character, setting, plot. Okay, we had discussed this, and then conflict and theme. Okay, so the theme was the last thing, and we had discussed about the characterization also. Okay, till this page, and here now it's time to understand the setting. Okay, so we had done till here, we had ended with this passage. Now let's begin with the another passage in this page. Okay, time frame and place constitute. As you can see, time frame and place constitute setting of story writing. Now it's time for setting of the story. Okay, I'll explain you what these are the two major things. Okay, characters and setting. Rest you can just analyze and write, but characters, setting, in fact sometimes dialogues also are there. Okay, so dialogues, usually if you are narrating a story, then there is no need of dialogues. But if you are putting the live feel, लाइव फील मीन्स आप ऐसा फील आना चाहिए कि आप जैसे सुन रहे हो या देख रहे हो आंखों के सामने स्टोरी, देन यू नीड डायलॉग्स, राइट. बट नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द सेटिंग. Setting, already we had discussed about it. Okay, the setting is often decorated with descriptions of scenes. Very interesting. Okay, description means information. Description means information of scenes. Obviously, if it is a story, there will be scenes in the story. So it can be a supermarket, bedroom, crowded metro train, drizzling evening. Drizzling evening means raining evening. And it can be an unlimited list. मतलब ये इसका कोई एंड नहीं, आप अलग अलग तरह की सेटिंग चूज़ कर सकते हो टू राइट अ स्टोरी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट सेटिंग. फाइन, सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड two major things. Okay, character and setting, these were the two major things what I really wanted to convey you. Plot, conflict, theme, these are also important, but ये दोनों चीज़ें ज़्यादा डिटेल में आपको समझने की ज़रूरत थी, सो आई डिस्कस्ड इट. प्लॉट का आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग ऑफ द प्लॉट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन माई प्रीवियस लेक्चर. प्लॉट मीन्स वॉट? स्टोरी लाइन. मीन्स एक के बाद दूसरा सीन कौन सा आएगा, दैट इज़ नोन एज प्लॉट, स्टोरी लाइन. ओके, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मीन्स देर विल ऑलवेज बी अ प्रॉब्लम एंड सोल्यूशन टू द स्टोरी. सो उसको ज़्यादा डीपली डिस्कस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऑलरेडी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू इन माई प्रीवियस लेक्चर. And the last fifth thing, theme. Theme means which will tell you the mood of the story. Is it sad story, happy story, fiction, science fiction, mystery, okay, drama, family drama, romantic. So there can be different styles of writing a story. Fine. So this was all about the elements of the story, and there are certain tips. Fewer character, kam se kam rakho, already we have discussed. Develop characters for theme. So characters should be according to theme, means you should develop them. Develop means you should just characterize them in such a way that they will justify their role in the story, right? जो भी रोल है कैरेक्टर का, they should justify it carefully. Okay, and single and short time frame. Single and short time frame, it means ऐसी स्टोरी लिखना है आपको कि एक ही दिन में पढ़ ले कोई भी. मीन्स इट शुड बी रेड बाय द रीडर प्रॉपरली इन वन सिंगल अटेम्प्ट. ओके, एक ही बार में पढ़ी जानी चाहिए. विविड सराउंडिंग मीन्स क्लियर. विविड इस वर्ड का मीनिंग होता है क्लियर, क्रिस्टल एंड क्लियर सराउंडिंग्स. ओके, सो व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस? योर स्टोरी शुड बी ईजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल. ओके, अच्छे से समझ में आना चाहिए. कैची फर्स्ट लाइन. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस? कैची मीन्स people should be impressed by reading your first line. Your first line should be very catchy, means interesting, लोग attention grab करने वाला. Choose suitable point of view. Okay, point of view means your perception, your thoughts. So it should be suitable to the story. It should not happen कि story's title is different and you are writing something else. Okay, so that is the reason you should read the title carefully. Fine. And apart from that, one conflict only. Don't add multiple conflicts. Conflicts means confusions or problems and solutions. Conflict का ये meaning होता है, problems. Okay, so only one conflict should be there and it should be resolved at the end. आखिरी में उसका solution मिल जाना चाहिए. Okay, intense but real conflict. It should be intense. Intense means which can have deep thoughts, very deep thoughts. Your imagination should be in that way. And real conflict, it doesn't mean it is talking about reality. Okay, real conflict means the reader should feel that it is related to reality. ये सच में तो हुआ नहीं, but it is related to reality. Okay, it should be intense. Intense means it should have depth of thoughts. Okay, theme in focus, as we have already discussed. Don't run away from the topic. टॉपिक से स्टिक रहना आपको, गेट स्टक टू योर टॉपिक. ओके, सो फोकस ऑन द थीम प्रॉपरली. ब्रेक रूल्स इफ नीडेड. ओके, दिस थिंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू. ब्रेक रूल्स इफ नीडेड इज समथिंग एल्स. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट, इट इज़ फॉर प्रोफेशनल राइटर्स. जो प्रोफेशनल राइटर होते हैं, स्टोरी राइटर, उनके लिए है ये चीज़. मीन्स यू कैन चेंज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, साइंस फिक्शन में ऐसी चीज़ें दिखाई जाती है विच आर नॉट रियल. सो obviously the writer is breaking rule science fiction में. So there is not name of any planet. उस planet का नाम ही दे दिया, किसी planet, imaginary planet ही describe कर दिया story में. So we are, obviously the writer is breaking rule, but it is not applicable for you. If needed, you can do it. Okay, fine. So it is all about the story writing. Now in my next lecture you will see the samples. Okay, samples are there are certain samples which you need to understand, but I'm ending this part here itself because I'm providing you another lecture, and in my next lecture you will have a lesson, but I will provide you photos of the samples of the story. ठीक है, वो photos आपको ठीक से देखकर आपको stories लिखनी है. So depending, those pictures will be based on my today's lecture. Okay, today's and yesterday's lecture. So that thing you need to keep in mind. Before you write anything, you should see all the rules first. Okay, you should see all the rules first, and I'll provide you the samples in my within today. Okay, you'll get all the samples today itself. Thank you so much. Take care.